Life happens. A busy work week, a new baby, or just falling a few days behind can leave you staring down a mountain of dirty clothes that eats up your free time. Pristine Laundry Services offers a way out of that endless cycle of washing, drying, and folding. They provide reliable pickup and delivery across central Pennsylvania, specifically serving households in Harrisburg, Hershey, York, Carlisle, Elizabethtown, and Mechanicsburg. Instead of spending hours sorting and weighing machines, you hand off an overflowing basket and receive crisp, folded clothes delivered right back to your door. By outsourcing this one repetitive chore, you recover your entire weekend. You stop working on your days off and actually get to rest. Step 1 is figuring out exactly what this costs and what size order you need to get started. On their pricing page, standard wash and fold is $1.99 per pound, with a $39.99 minimum. If you handle the folding or just need folding, they offer wash no fold at $150 and fold only at $125. Scheduling begins on the homepage. Enter your zip code here to verify your neighborhood. Then follow the 3 steps. Schedule your pickup, leave your bags out, and wait for delivery. If you have a laundry emergency, same-day service is available, but there are strict rules. You have to schedule it before 1 p.m., and it is only available on Wednesdays and Thursdays. With clear rates and a precise booking portal, you avoid surprise fees and know exactly when your laundry will be done. Step 2 happens on pickup morning. Simply gather your dirty clothes and leave your laundry bags right outside your front door. There is one common mistake to avoid here. If you have a heavily stained shirt mixed deep inside a 50-pound pile of regular clothes, the facility might miss it. To ensure those specific items get the right treatment, you must place any stained garments into a separate, clearly marked bag. This specialized stain removal treatment comes with a flat fee of $20. With your bags sorted, a driver arrives on schedule, collects the heavy bags from your porch, and takes the work entirely off your property. Bagging those heavily soiled items separately guarantees the staff actually sees them, treating the stains before they set in permanently. Step 3 takes place off-site. Here in the facility, your clothes go through commercial-grade washers and dryers. Then, an employee meticulously folds them into perfectly uniform stacks, like you see here. Because everything is folded to precise dimensions, there's no resorting. Pick up an entire stack and slide it straight into your dresser drawer. Customer reviews show how this precision translates to real life. Allison notes the delivery schedule gave her time back for family. MP points out the clothes return neatly folded and labeled, making them easy to put away. The real benefit you're paying for is the mental relief of knowing a major household chore is already finished. The process concludes when your clothes arrive back at your doorstep, fresh, neatly packaged, and ready for the closet. You trade the constant stress of an overflowing hamper for the quiet satisfaction of putting away perfectly organized stacks of clean clothes. By letting a professional team manage your wash cycles, you get your evenings and weekends back to spend how you choose. To stop the pileup right now, scroll down to this bright pink block on their website, enter your zip code, and schedule your first pickup. Let Pristine Laundry Services take the load off your shoulders today.